Hi everyone, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my craft room here at Creative Girl Vintage. So how cute is this, right? For St. Patrick's Day. I was inspired by this vintage postcard that I have that's always been like one of my very favorite postcards ever. And my friend Gail, who she's been shoveling snow, I think since last year. So I thought she could use like a really good St. Patrick's Day smile. So I was making this for her to send as a little surprise. Well, if she's watching this video, she knows it's not a surprise now, but I think she'll love it either way. So while I was making it, I thought, you know what, I got to share this with you guys. It's simple, it's fast, and it's so fun. And so let's make this little St. Patrick's Day tree cup. We are going to start this project with these peat pots. I believe I found these at Walmart. I know it's the time of year they're putting stuff out right now, so you can probably find these. They are, just for reference, 2¼ diameter. So they are very small. I think even if you have the bigger ones, they would work perfectly fine for this project. So I painted one of them with gold metallic paint. So now it looks like the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So anything goes here. To add some trims to this, whatever you have available. Lays here, little brick racks. This is I found this at the flea market. It's vintage. Isn't that pretty? And on Gail's example here, I used that, which it turned out really pretty. So I really was liking this one. So let's put it on our pot. Okay, just using my glue gun. Just going to lay this right here and work it all the way around. I was thinking how cute these would be for a luncheon or dinner party to use as for a little place setting. They could be for your friends at the office. You can take one in to everybody. They're cute for your grandkids. And Gail had mentioned that she likes to take something over to the people working, excuse me, at the veterinarian office. So I think that is just a really good idea too, especially with the cat on there. They would really love that. Okay, so go. Got our first layer of lace on there, and at this point you could, here, let's just slap a little rickrack on it while we got it in our hand. Okay, just all the way around here. Okay. All right, so basically our pot is ready. Let's move on, and I'm going to tell you all about the images. So like I said, this project was inspired by this vintage postcard. Just so cute. So if you have no trouble just downloading things, you can go over to my blog, and this is available on my blog. You can just right click and save it and craft your heart out with it. Just for reference, this is, the cat is 4 1/4, and let's see, the banner is like 4 inches, and that worked really well with the pot. Like I said, a bigger pot's definitely going to work there. So if you do not have a printer or access to it, or you will right click something and you have no idea where it even goes, I've got you covered there, because I know that you guys like it when I have little bundles of images in my shop already printed out for you. So I did just that. This is 6 cats, 6 banners, $6, and it ships to you in this 5x7 first class mail envelope. All right, so I know you guys like getting happy mail, and yeah, this will make you happy when you get it, right? So it's like you're getting a birthday card or a St. Patrick's Day card from me. That's the size of the envelope. All right, so next, we're going to do what you guys that watch me, you know that I'm going to do this. So we're going to get our image ready. I'm going to use my glue stick, and I'll take my image and flip it over and put a even coat across the whole back of my image. Grab a scrap of scrap paper. Isn't this a cute one with all the little shamrocks? I'm not really sure where I got it, but I know I saw it. It wasn't even St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to lay that down. And it was one of those things that, you know, I like that. I might use that someday. So I remember buying it. I can't remember where. Anything goes here, though, for a backing. You can use any cardstock, your book pages. You can use anything. It's so nice. This is optional, but it's just so nice to have your project look really finished. For example, you know, if Gail is sitting there and this is at her place setting, the person that's across the table is going to see this on the back instead of just white paper. So it's just a little bit more effective. Okay, it looks really nice. All right, so our image is glued down, and we're just going to take a book and we are going to lay that on there. Let that glue dry. Let that paper flatten out. It's a light cardstock I usually print on, and this book here. How about this? It's from 1917, I think, or 1918. But this always comes out every year. I always have this out decorating with it every year. Okay, so just to save time on camera, I went ahead and took my little cutter bees and cut out my St. Pat's cat and the little banner. And let's grab, oh, here it is. Okay, here's the cup. All right, and let's see, the back of that right there, you know, where everything just kind of overlapped and looked a little messy. I did put a button on that just to kind of make it look a little bit more cleaned up. I don't have a button on my table right now, but I would normally do that probably in the back just to cover it up and to kind of remind me where the back is so it doesn't, you know. But then again, you can just put your image right here over that too, right? And then you don't have to worry about it. Okay, I just thought of that while I was doing this video. Wow, my light bulb just came on. Okay, let's do that. So this kitty cat is going right there. So I'm going to bend this just a bit to get a little bit of a curve on there to match the cup. And when I lay this on here, I think right across here, like this fat part of his body, I am going to add some glue and lay him there. I'm going to set him up like this just so the bottom of his feet were just flush really with the bottom of the cup. Okay, there we go. Hold it just for a moment to know that he's on there. And I'm going to take a dot of hot glue right there and just kind of push that into just for a little extra strength. Okay, there we go. Looks sweet. One of the things I normally do, and I didn't do, but I can do it now, is just grab a little bit of my Distress ink. And of course it would have been easier before I glued it on there. I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants here today, if you haven't noticed. Okay, and let me do a little bit of that on this label too. Okay. All right. There we go. So our kitty cat is on. I've got a green sparkly pipe cleaner here. I'm going to pop that right in. And we've got hot glue efficiency going on here today. Everything is sticking real fast with our glue gun. Okay, we have a handle. All right, I'm going to smush this down just a bit, make it a little bit fatter. Okay, we have our banner. If you want to make this look more bannery, you can just put a notch right there on the end. There you go. Okay, and we will pop our banner on right here. A little bit of glue. Just Let that catch. Other side. Push that down. I mean, how adorable. Okay, paper shred. I usually get this at the party store. I have paper shreds in all colors. Now, on this, believe me, I love glitter. I love glittering everything. Probably if you're using it on the dinner table, the glitter's probably not the best idea. It'd be coming off on the plates. And but if you're giving this for a little gift, how cute to put maybe some green glitter on the hat or anywhere else. What I did do, instead of using the glitter, I got out my stickles and just embellished the hat a bit and the banner and the little bow tie right there too. So, you know, that'll dry and that's not going anywhere. Okay, so did you see how fast that went together? That is so cute. I'm not sure what kind of candies are available for St. Patrick's Day, but I'm going to go out and check. I would like to find some gold foil wrapped coins. Wouldn't that be just the thing to put in there? Maybe there's like some green and white M&Ms or something like that in a little bag that would fit in the back here. I know the craft store has those gold coins out for St. Patrick's Day in all the decorations, and that would be perfect for me since it would keep me away from the sugar. Yeah, I'll just get the regular gold coins in my basket right here. So thank you for taking time out of your day to craft with me. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. I've linked everything for you below, and happy St. Patrick's Day.